Welcome to our new series, Guitar Hacks. It'll focus on teaching you how to become a better guitarist a few minutes at a time. Feel free to subscribe if you want new lessons every week. Are you into rock music and metal? Then we have the perfect hack for you today. It's called the drop D tuning. This is Andreas. He's gonna help me show you guys how to use the drop D tuning while you're playing guitar. As you probably heard before, the strings of the guitar are normally tuned to high E, B, G, D, A, and low E. But it's not the only way you can tune your guitar, as sometimes you can play more efficiently if you change it. You might already have an idea of what drop D means. It's very simple. You just tune the low E string down to a D. So you drop it. Use a tuner to get it right. So why would you even tune your guitar different from the standard tuning? First of all, you get an additional 2 lower notes. You wouldn't be able to play otherwise. This can add a nice heavy and dark touch to your music. Andreas, how about a little demonstration? An added bonus, when you drop your tuning, is that power chords are easier to play because you can use one finger for it. Just put it in the right position and press down on the second string as well, so you play a barre. This is what that can sound like. See? It's not that hard and adds a unique touch to your music. Especially if you like to play rock or metal, you should consider this tuning because of the high usage of power chords and the sound characteristic. If you want to hear how this translates into a song, check out Moby Dick by Led Zeppelin. So now it's your turn to play around with the tuning and maybe come up with your own riffs. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and even subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. If you have any suggestions or questions or even ideas of what we should cover in the future, then go ahead and leave that feedback in the comments. We'll take a look. See you next time.